Alright guys, this is my first turkey ever. We measured his beard. He's got a 10-inch beard, 1-inch spurs back here.
Blocking your own sun.
And he's got a pretty nice fan on him as well. And we're about to go ahead and clean this guy up and get some meat out of him, and probably gonna take the fan and the beard. But just wanted to show you guys my first turkey ever. And
move out of the way, Daniel, so you can see like in the light. Yeah, that looks a lot better.
All right, and maybe we'll show you the cooking and trying of my first turkey ever, because I didn't record the shooting of it because I didn't want to be messing with other things when I hadn't really turkey hunted before, and they can see very well, so I didn't want to fiddle with any of that, but got it done. So yeah, maybe you'll get to see us try them, and see you then. So we're following a recipe that we saw online from one of the people in Duck Dynasty. We're starting out with some Buttermilk Ranch on this cut up turkey nuggets. You want to be very generous with it. Apparently it has to be buttermilk. Cut it.
Tell them what the other ones.
And we have these other ones over here non-mixed up, because those ones are going to be cooked a different way. Honestly, that's probably enough. I don't think we need the other one.
And for the next.
You don't need to keep. Now we're gonna put some jalapenos that are shredded. We're gonna put.
It's more about the juice.
Yeah, we're gonna put a few slices, but the main thing is the juice. So get some slices on there. It's probably good for the slices.
Yeah, I would just go ahead and, I probably didn't have to open that second jar. Yeah, I don't think I needed the second jar. It's great.
Well, let me mix it up and you see. Should I mix it?
Yeah, he did.
And this is gonna sit overnight before we cook them. The other ones we're gonna prepare tomorrow.
Alright, are you gonna make room for me?
All right, so right now we're
Do your thing.
We are wrapping these turkey in bacon, putting a little toothpick through them.
Put them in the bacon. You're gonna have to just transfer right into the pan.
Well, we still need to run them through the brown sugar and chili powder.
No, I think he just poured that over the top, didn't he?
No, we're gonna like roll them in it.
Oh. Maybe I should prepare that then.
But you're not gonna cook them in it. You know what I'm saying? Like we're gonna... Now that we've got a bunch of them all made up in the bacon, what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll them in brown sugar and chili powder. Get them nice. And then we're gonna take that and put it in the pan, and we're just gonna do a bunch of those and get them ready for the oven. Alright, now we have the ranch turkey that we have set overnight. And we're getting that out and we're going to strain it. Doesn't that smell good? So I just dump it in here, Mom?
Yep. Very carefully. You don't want it going in the sink.
Isn't that like...
You don't want the chicken going in the sink, not the stuff that you're straining.
Right.
Cool.
And did we confirm that he didn't rinse it off? Alright, so we have a mixture here of flour, salt, pepper, and cayenne. And we're going to take them out of here, where they've been draining. We're going to put them in this, and then we're going to throw them in the fryer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just like that. Or you did take it out.
No. Alright, we got them in the oven. They're going in for 20 minutes at 350. Alright, the first couple are going in.
Watch out.
I dropped it the same. I don't know what to...
Close to the sides and bigger.
How many should I put in there?
4. There's 4.
I'm grabbing multiple. You know, TikTok is your fault. Honey is going on. Like that?
Yep. Did you fry one yet?
No. I was about to take a picture of it. Think that's good?
Yeah.
And then pop them back in the oven, right?
Yep.
Those smell really good too, don't they?
Mm-hmm. Boiling some mac and cheese over there.
You don't need to. Ready?
Yep.
It's good. It doesn't taste gamey at all, Mom. It just tastes like a chicken nugget. Really good.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Recommend.
You wouldn't even know it was wild turkey if I gave them to you. And I think that's the closest thing I've tasted to Chick-fil-A of like fake nuggets.
Really?
Yeah. I can't wait to try the ones that are in the oven.
Yeah.
So we got the full spread going on right here. I've already tried these. Amazing. Honestly, probably better than Chick-fil-A. But here we have the other way, and I have not tried these yet. So, let me get a smaller one first, just for trying.
For popping.
Yes. So, let's go ahead and try these, see how they are.
Terrible.
No, those are good. I definitely like these better. Those, they got like, they're more sweet with a little bit of like a seasoned flavor. But these ones, I mean, you can't go wrong with frying them. A little bit of cayenne. Amazing. All right, so we're done trying the turkey now. And I just wanted to show everybody what I did with the fan of it, what it looks like. So we took it to my dad's friend and he showed me how to get the fan all right. And we also got the spurs here so that you can see them in the beard. And ordered this nice wood plaque for it to go on. And most of them don't have a picture like this, but I thought this one with the turkey head looks real nice. And still need to find a spot on the wall for it, but basically it's going to look something like that wherever we decide to put it. And I think it looks really nice. But anyways, this has been from the killing of it to trying it, and now you've seen it on the plaque. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.